Hi everyone, welcome back again in our today lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to use PMT formula, which is a payment formula as per MS Office language. Okay, so let's understand how we'll use PMT formula. All right, so let me open the file that will be dealing out through this lecture. Okay, here we go. Suppose we have some data here. Okay, and we are planning for take education loan. An education loan amount, principal amount would be 3 lakh. Rate of interest would be 9%, and we know that rate of interest vary bank to bank, right? And number of year would be 5 year के लिए we are taking education loan. Okay, so let's understand how we'll find the yearly EMI and monthly EMI. Okay, but before I start the session, I want to know that how many people know that where EMI stand for. What is the full form of EMI? I know there are many people who has knowledge about full form of EMI, but still I want to say that EMI full form is equated monthly installment. Okay, so let's look into our formula. So for PMT formula, we need to press equal to here, then PMT. Okay, press tab. Now open your insert function here. ठीक है. Now what we need we need rate of interest. Rate of interest would be 9%, and number of year. Number of year क्या हो जाएगा, which is 5 year. ठीक है. Now we need principal value. PV means principal value, which is 3 lakh. Now click on OK. You will get the answer that how much we need to pay in yearly. Okay, so what is your amount your 77127.74. ठीक है. Similarly we can do manual also, like equal to PMT tab. We need rate of interest, which is 9%, comma, we need number of year, which is 5%. No, sorry, 5 year, comma, we need PV amount, which is principal value, which is 3 lakh. Close your bracket and enter. You will get the answer, right? Similarly, we can find our monthly installment also, but for monthly installment, we need to split our rate of interest and number of year. Okay, how? Suppose हमारे जो percentage है 9% for a year. Okay, and we need to divide it in a month. ठीक है. So what we need to do for it, we need to first is equal to select your interest rate here, divided मंथ कितने मंथ के होते हैं, ये सॉरी ईयर कितने मंथ के होते हैं, 12 मंथ. एंटर. ओके. And similarly we do for a number of year, which is equal to select your number of year from here, but we need to multiply our a number of year, क्योंकि in a 5 month, in a 5 years, we want to know कि month कितने होंगे, right? So for it we need to press into here, then 12. We got the answer, right? But we don't need to do this all things from here. Okay, we can do directly while putting formula. Okay, so let's understand how. First we need to press equal to here, then PMT tab. Now we need to open insert function here. Okay, we need rate of interest, which is 9%, number of year, which is 5 year. Okay, बट एट अ सेम टाइम हम जो है अपने फॉर्मूला को मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वी नीड टू डिवाइड फॉर गेट मंथली रिजल्ट, राइट? सो डिवाइडेड by 12. Number of year we need to do multiply, right? Multiply into 12. Now we need to select principal value, which is 3 lakh. Got the answer? Now click OK here. We get the answer. We will get the answer, right? How much we need to pay in a month, which is 6,227.51 paise. Got it? And suppose हमने जो है 3 लाख का लोन लिया, and we have time for pay 10 years. Okay, so how will get the answer and how will find the answer? Similarly, we need to press equal to PMT tab, select your rate of interest from here. Now number of per year. तो नंबर ऑफ पर ईयर पहले जो हमने सिलेक्ट किया था वो 5 years, बट नाउ वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट 10 years फ्रॉम हियर. Sorry, first we need to select rate of interest, which is this, comma. Now we need to select number of year, which is from here. Okay, comma. Now we need to select principal value from here. Now close your bracket, enter. You got the answer, right? Okay. And suppose ये do you have question any do you have any question, guys? Might be you have कि ये जो है रेट में एंड माइनस में क्यों अमाउंट आ रहा है, राइट? क्योंकि ये जो है हमें देना है बैंक को. सपोज हमने लोन लिया है और इस अमाउंट को हमें पे करना है, इसलिए ये माइनस में है, ठीक है? एंड सपोज हमने जो है 3 लाख का एफडी किया हुआ है, ठीक है? 3 लाख का एफडी किया हुआ है. नाउ वी नीड टू पुट माइनस योर 3 लाख. ओके, मीन्स हमारे अकाउंट से 3 लाख गया है, एंड नाउ वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि हमने जो इन्वेस्ट किया है, सो व्हाट वी विल गेट फ्रॉम बैंक साइड. ओके, तो नाउ क्लिक हियर. योर आंसर विल बी इन पॉजिटिव. व्हाई? क्योंकि अमाउंट जो आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है, एंड हियर यू आर फाइंडिंग दैट व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम बैंक साइड, राइट, विद द interest. Got it now? So that's it for in today lecture, guys. See you soon in our next lecture. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Jai Hind.